Exercise 1.145. Capacitors P and Q have identical cross-sectional area A and separation D. The space between the capacitors is filled with a dielectric of dielectric constant epsilon R as shown in the figure. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor P and Q. Now this is your P capacitance. Okay. Now here there are two parallel plates. Now it is filled with dielectric. Only half the portion is filled with dielectric. The distance of separation here it is what? D. So here this is having what? Dielectric constant as epsilon R. Here this is having what? Dielectric constant epsilon R is equal to 1, since this medium is what? Air medium. Okay. So this is a medium without dielectric. This is a medium with dielectric. Okay. Now these two are in what? Parallel combinations. These two are in what? Parallel combinations. So we can write, first we can write the capacitance C1, that is the capacitance without dielectric. So for the capacitance without dielectric, capacitance C1 is equal to, you know the formula, epsilon 0. Here what is the area? The area here, this is A by 2. Here this is what? A by 2. Total area is A. So it is A by 2 by D. Okay. Epsilon 0 A by 2 by D. So we can write it as epsilon 0 A by 2D. Okay. Now capacitance C2. This is in air medium. Now we are going to write it in what? Dielectric medium. Okay. In dielectric medium, C2 is equal to, you know, that is epsilon. Okay. Epsilon is equal to into A by 2 by D. Okay. A by 2 by, this is epsilon. Epsilon is into A by 2 by D. So what will you get? Epsilon A by D. Now this can be written as epsilon 0 epsilon R A by D. 2D. Okay. Now what is the effective capacitance? It is C1 plus C2. What is your C1? Epsilon 0 A by 2D plus epsilon 0 epsilon R A by 2D. Now if you take it outside, common things we can take it outside. Epsilon 0 A by 2D we can take it outside. So what will you get here? It is what? 1 plus epsilon R. So your effective capacitance is equal to epsilon 0 A by 2D 1 plus epsilon R. Now coming to the second capacitor. In the second capacitor, the dielectric is filled in this way. Okay. So in the series combination. In what? Series combination. Here now, here the distance of separation for the portion with dielectric is D by 2. For with air is what? D by 2. Okay. So this is air medium. This is what? Dielectric medium. Okay. Now the capacitance here with dielectric is C1 and without dielectric is C2. So I can write capacitance C1. This is with dielectric. So what you can write? Epsilon 0 epsilon R A by D. What is your D? D is equal to what? D by 2. So this can be written as 2 epsilon 0 epsilon R A by D. Now the capacitance without dielectric, that is what? Epsilon 0 A by, here also the distance of separation is what? D by 2. So this is 2 epsilon 0 A by D. Now these two combinations are in what? Series. These two combinations are in series. So we can write C1 and C2 are in series. So what you will get? 1 by Cs is equal to, the effective capacitance is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So I can write it here as 1 by 2 epsilon 0 epsilon R A by D plus 1 by 2 epsilon 0 A by D. Okay. Now this can be written as D by 2 epsilon 0 epsilon RA plus D by 2 epsilon 0 A, that is 1 by CS. Taking all the common terms outside, that is D by 2 epsilon 0 A outside, you will be getting it as 1 by epsilon R plus 1. 1 by epsilon R plus what? 1. So what is CS? CS is equal to, you can take 1 by CS, we can write 1 by CS, one more step we can write it here. D is equal to 2 epsilon 0 A do 1 plus epsilon R by epsilon R. Now we can write CS. CS is equal to 2 epsilon 0 A by D into epsilon R by 1 plus epsilon R. So we got a record resultant capacitance.